Tilt-rotor aircraft, the Osprey, can fly both like a conventional airplane and hover like a helicopter. It serves as an important tool for the U.S. military to deliver troops and equipment to austere locations. Here they come, ladies and gentlemen, a great photo pass from your left to the right. In the slow speed configuration, watch those nacelles as they work their way back into the hovering mode. And as they come by, be sure to give them a big wave. They'll be looking at all of you here on the beach. One of the most unique aircraft anyplace, the MV-22 Osprey, but now look to the left as we bring in another very unique aircraft. This airplane is called the Yak 110 and is by far one of the highest performing aircraft of its type, featuring two radial engines, left and right jet engines slung underneath. Let's welcome to the 2022 Pacific Airshow. Jeff Urban and master mechanic Del Collar, the masterminds behind this absolutely funky, wild aircraft. They didn't need a calculator. They took two individual Yak 55 aerobatic airplanes, welded